Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods. Today I want to talk to you about forgiveness. What do I mean? Floor coverings are different, and some are more forgiving than others. The most forgiving floor covering is carpet. Uneven floors covered with carpet still feel okay. The carpet can hide a multitude of sins. The second most forgiving floor is a vinyl floor, particularly a sheet vinyl floor, because today they make sheet vinyl floors that are heavy, not terribly reflective, and as long as the floor is not very lumpy and bumpy, some of these products will sit very nicely and work in areas where you can't install a plank floor. Those are two of the most forgiving floors. After that, your only choice maybe would be a luxury vinyl plank which can be glued down, because in some situations where you may have a mild slope in the floor, you can get away with a glued down plank. Other products, whether they be tile, stone, wood, laminate, these products require a much more perfect, smooth, firm floor and may require a lot of preparation. So if preparation is too expensive or you have a really, really bad subfloor, remember, there is hope, there is forgiveness. Think about carpet, think about the old standby sheet vinyl, and even glue down luxury vinyl plank. Ken Fain, Island Carpet Tile and Hardwoods.